You got clutch.
What's going on, people? It's your main man, Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto, back again with another VaporFi update video. As you know, we are already recouped our initial investment, so everything here in our VaporFi is pure profit. This week they did adjust the rewards, the whole flip the script promotion that they did around that, flipping the script, trying to reward smaller nodes over bigger nodes, and trying to keep the grassroots community that supported the protocol, keep them in good shape, and try to do what many DeFi protocols are trying to do, is prevent whales from trying to come in, drop a whole load of money in, let it mature for a week or two because of these crazy APYs, and then immediately take their money out, which then drops the price of the overall token. And you do this a couple of different times over and over and over again. Eventually, most of those protocols die out in general. I'll be doing another video that talks, mainly about DeFi and kind of my thoughts around DeFi, yield forming, staking as a whole. Right. And, the dangers there, some of the things that I see. Obviously, I'm not an expert, but I don't think there are a lot of people in the space that are, to be honest with you. And I don't think there's a lot of people in the space that are experts. And I feel as though, what's the difference between, me and, some other guy who's not public, or you don't know who they are, or you don't know where they're from, or you don't know, whether or not what they're telling you is the truth, right? I'm just a guy who does YouTube videos. As always, this particular YouTube video and videos like it are purely entertainment only. I'm not advising anybody to sign up or anything like that. Although if you do sign up and you use my link down below, I will get a referral link, so you would support the channel. And you would support some of the content that we're trying to do here. You can also support the channel just by clicking that like button, clicking that subscribe link, and helping us get to 1,000 subscribers, which is what we're on our way to after we just hit 500 subscribers this past week. So as always, thank you for viewing, and let's get into it. You feel me? So here is the share and earn program that they just added, along with their flip the script thing. So this is another thing to kind of pay attention to. One of the other popular things, when you see stuff here in the DeFi space, there are a lot of similar projects. VaporFi is not the only node project, right? There's Comb, there's Soldier nodes, there's Thor, there's Strong. It's all kinds of stuff all over the place. Some are better than, some have been more consistent than others. Some have come and gone, all that good stuff. This referral piece actually emanates from Drip, which emanated from Flow. Right, but I think Drip was the first one, at least that I know of. Right, please correct me if I'm wrong down there in the comments. Let me know if there was one before Drip that had like this referral piece to it. So you do a referral, and then it's kind of like a downline. But it seems like here in the VaporFi, it says somebody uses your link, they create a node, they copy the unique link, and they create a node first, then they copy your link in your referral tab, share the link with your friends, ask them to create a node. Once they do create a node, you get 5% commission on the amount they use to create a node. All right. So you get a 5% commission. So if I use $100, you get, if I use $100, you get $5. Right. And then I think that at least that appears to be a one-time payment per referral, right? So for each referral, you get 5% on however much they use to create node, to create a node, how much they use to create a node. Now, that being said, let's go here. I think the base price for a node is 1,000 VPND. So 1,000 VPND right now would run you about $68. So in that ballpark, if we were at $1, if we were at if we were at 10 cents again, it would be exactly $100, right? and so you would get $5 off of that $100. And it appears to be just a one-time thing. Now, the other thing that happened with the flip the script, so just to cover this stuff right here, the VPND price currently is at 6.8 cents. I don't think it's gone too far below that, but it's been up and down a little bit recently. Like I said, the base node price now is 1000 VPND. And they're still paying the 1% per day. It's a big jump in nodes. So now look, 17,343 nodes. Let's go to our nodes, right? Creating a bit empty around here. Wow. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, so let's see. Let's go. You are required to approve a new manager contract before interacting with your nodes. All right. You see, currently let's start with that. We're going to read this stuff here in a second, but let's do this. Available rewards are 659 VPND. Total node amount is 7,300 VPND. And the estimated daily income is $5 a day. All right, here's our nodes down here. We got 6 nodes that range from 1,000 VPND to as high as 1,400 VPND. Okay, we're currently in level 2 of diamond hands here. And we're at a ROI of 1.2% ROI, which is a part of the new flip the script return percentages. So that is going well. That is good. All this is set up good. So let's take a look here. It says migration required. A new node manager contract has been released. You might need to migrate your nodes in order to claim compound and enjoy new features. Approve required. You are required to approve a new manager contract before interacting with your nodes. Now we're gonna have to view the, let's go ahead and do it live. We'll do it live. We're gonna jump into the Discord. We're gonna do it live. We're gonna jump right here into the Discord and see what's going on here. This is the life I lead. I'm in a whole bunch of Discords here. Where's my Vaporfy? Okay, there it is. Boom, jump into Vaporfy. Vaporfy is always popping. It's always popping up in here. Let's jump to announcements. Jose have been working on an update to share. Came across some network congestions. It's very, very late. 4 a.m. Jose pushing through. We give him some credit on that in case you missed the tweet. Get yourself some merch. We're not buying merch right now. Unless y'all want to send me some merch. I'm a 3X, man. Send me some merch. And then I can give it away to the people. We are officially whitelisted on TraderJoe. So that's popping. You don't have to go looking for VPND anymore. Please stand by. So we're in the maintenance mode. As yesterday, the wait is over. The script has been flipped. The new tiers model is now live on VaporNodes DApp. Updates include smaller tier packages and reward structures, referral system, UI update. We are excited as much as you guys are. Now you can tell the world and get rewarded for it while getting grandma involved in crypto. All right, there you go. FYI, you have to approve the contract and migrate. No, you don't have to claim or compound. You are okay. Okay, so that tells us what we need to know. We need to approve the contract and migrate. So we're going to approve and then we're going to migrate. To celebrate our new tier reward system, we're running an invite giveaway. Oh, man. I don't even know how to really consistently do invites. I don't even know how people do those on Discord. It's so stressful. It's so Discord is a full job in and of itself. So amazing King Vape's community wallet did. Someone from the community was chosen and received the first donation from the community wallet that was in need. It might not be much, but it was enough to make for a good. How much did he get? 75 cents in avax. All right, cool. Don't mind me. You guys are. This is what I'm doing when I'm not making videos. So I'm digging into all these various projects that I'm following, all the various projects from a crypto perspective that I'm involved in, and some things that just interest me. One of the things that I've been really big into is UFC Strike, Fat Kids Deals on Discord, Angry Boards is the project I'm in. This is another project that I'm in. Anyway, that I'm trying to get NFTs and Helium and all the other good stuff. So with that being said, we have to approve. So we're going to approve, and it told us that we did not need to compound or claim before doing this. So you guys are my witnesses that you saw it just like I saw it, and we are going to click approve here. All right. All right, it's asking for permission. Give permission to access your VPND. All right, finally came through. So the gas fee is 14 cents. We're approving that. We're giving them permission to, you're going to give them permission to access your VPND. All right, so we're going to wait for that. All right, now you see that one cleared. Now we're going to click migrate my nodes. Now we're paying another AVAX fee in looks like 0.062 AVAX roughly that we're paying there. Now it's migrating. We'll see if this one disappears as well. And then we'll refresh the page just to make sure that, you know, all our VPND doesn't just disappear somewhere. All right, the migration was successful. All right, now it looks like we're all good. We're migrated. Our ROI is at 1.2%. We still have, I think we have the same roughly amount of awards, 659 VPND there. And everything looks pretty much the same. So we're just gonna let the VPND nodes just keep working, and we're not gonna really worry about it too much. And what I'll do is be bringing you a video to talk about, let's check this Treasury account, 70 million here in this Treasury account. They got 60,000 on Ethereum. They got 70 million in assets on Avalanche, 1.8 million on TraderJoe as the biggest one. So I think they had a lot of strong nodes that they bought recently. So pretty interesting stuff going on here. And the team still continues to be pretty forthright and upfront about, you know, what they're doing and how they're moving. So, you know, we'll hang in there and we'll see. You know, it could go to zero tomorrow. Hey, it could 10x again. Who knows? But we're already in profit. So all this is just, you know, playing with house money. As always, this is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. In the words of Jay-Z, Hove did that. So hopefully you don't have to go through that. At any rate, I will leave my link down below, my referral link. And then, you know, just in case you guys want to try it out, you can. So I'll copy that link and drop it down in the description below. So if you do try it, you know, hook your boy up with a little 5%. You hear me? At any rate, I am your main man, Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto. I am always for the people, by the people, and you only got me and the Constitution. Believe that.